What's going on, guys? Today I'm about to bring to you a nice little US30 market breakdown analysis. I'm basically just going to be going over what happened this week, what's going on, and what I expect to happen. So first, we're going to start off on the higher time frame. If you look at the market structure and the candle, you can see that we're bullish, very strong bullish. And this week, we just had a bearish engulfing, meaning that this candle right here is bigger than the whole candle to the left of it. It engulfed it, it ate it, so it's bigger than it. And this is usually a bearish sign. So right here, it looks like it could have just been a liquidation of these highs, came right back. So we're gonna see what happens, but let's just mark up these weekly highs and weekly lows. Weekly high. Then you want to come down to the daily. And if you look on the daily, we were ranging all from here. This whole range lasted about, let's see, it don't even matter, but it lasted a long time. You see it, and then it finally broke out to the upside, and we were bullish, had a bullish breakout, had this pin bar bearish, and it starts to melting. And right now, we just fell below these lows, meaning we just broke market structure now. Market structure was broken, is now in a bearish market. So we're gonna be looking for sells as of right now until it shows us any otherwise. So you also wanna mark up the daily high of the previous day and the daily low. Because if you look, this candle is bearish, so it's already telling you that the next candle has a higher chance of being bearish than bullish. So that you're already ahead of the game with that. So basically, if how this was bearish, say you marked up the high and low of this candle, and you were expecting, since it's bearish, to break the daily low for the next candle, you would have been looking for sells. And then if you look, it did, never broke the high, kept going. So it has a higher chance, and that's what we're expecting to happen right now. So we're still bearish on the daily, and we're bearish on the weekly, breaking lows. We have the high and the low mark. Then you want to go down to the 4 hour, and you want to start marking your order blocks. So matter of fact, let's check the daily for you. Right here, we could have one. This is a daily order block. Right here, and also right here. So if you want to bring these out, I'm gonna change the color of them. Okay, go down to the 4 hour now. We're gonna do the same thing. So you see, these are the daily order blocks. Daily order block. I don't know why it's this color. Gotta change it again around. Now we have these marked. Now you know. Let's mark up these areas. 3,300 basically. And right here is 33,490. So these are areas that we were expecting to see a little bit of a retracement and to watch out for. And now that we broke these lows, let's start to pull some fibs out and look at other order blocks. So right here, we have a bearish 4 hour order block. So let's pull these fibs. I'm gonna pull it from right here to where it's at right now. You see it's marked right now, but we're gonna see what price keeps doing. The market just opened 10 minutes ago, matter of fact. So we're actually in the midst of seeing it. So we're gonna watch right now, basically anticipating price to move up to possibly these levels. So maybe in the time until whenever it gets up here, we'll get consolidation. We could look for sells in the morning. You never know. It could take longer than expected. It could happen overnight. Could come up here, come up to where is this 34,100 tonight. It might not. You just gotta basically move with the market and let the market show you what it's gonna do. So right now, if you see, looking at market structure and candle analysis, if you like these candles right here, price came down, had this doji almost right here. You see the indecision candle, bearish, and now we're on this candle right now. We're gonna see how it closes. If it breaks the high, has a high chance of coming up here, or even the possible levels right here at 33,820. But you never know. We just gotta wait, see what happens, and basically just leave it like that. So let's just watch it from the 4 hour. This is the best way of looking at it right now. The 1 hour isn't really, I wouldn't really trade off it as of right now, because it's kind of hard with US30. I don't know how to explain it. It just comes with experience. But looking at the 4 hour, this is a clean markup. Wait for the pullback to 3,400 for a possible, look for more confirmations for sells here. And if you get them, you take them. Try to ride it down to 33,490, 33,87. And if it goes past this, you just play it how it is. You'll wait, pull the fib, draw some new order blocks, wait for it to get there, time, price, and you just pull the trigger. That's all it is. So hopefully you guys like this video. I'm gonna talk to you later.